Singing Academy!
Oh, this one is super big one. How do I sing higher notes without straining?
First and foremost, the number one question that I've got to say is make sure that you find out what your voice can do, okay? So you might be inspired by Ariana Grande, but if you can't sing that high, you've got to come to terms with that, because a lot of people go, I want to sing this high. So first and foremost, come to terms with what your voice can do. But the bottom line is that when you're going up and you're singing up higher, if you don't want to sound constricted, you've got to use a sobbing technique.
Yeah.
And it's a crying technique. That's really what all the professional singers use. And they're incorporating that instead of belting. So a cry is wah, wah, and belt is wah, wah. There's no cry, so it's a lot louder sound. And you've got to support with your diaphragm, with your stomach. And basically, I always think of it as I nearly bypass my throat. My throat stays very relaxed, so there's no tension like this. My stomach's tightening up and just flows. My vocal cords stay nice and relaxed. So if you have a look at any of my YouTube clips singing up higher, it's very hard to sing in this posture here, sunk in this Chesterfield chair here. But if you have a look at any of my YouTube clips or in any of my classes when I'm teaching, you'll see that my neck is very relaxed. My stomach's doing all the work. When I'm singing up higher, I'm really trying to place the sounds. I'm trying to feel the sounds in my soft and hard palate. So if you don't know where that is, your hard palate, your mouth, as you run your finger back, soft palate, uvula's out the back as well too. So I tell my students to aim sounds in particular places when they're singing up higher. Front hard palate, middle hard palate, soft palate, uvula, back uvula, pharynx right at the back of the throat. So that's all I can sort of really say with that, is that you just got to work on your technique, find out what type of voice you are, work on your technique, but it is to do with technique.
Yeah. Use your core. Use your core. And a lot of people use the term projection. A lot of people don't know what it means. Literally imagine a cinema projector that sends a picture on the wall. This is where it needs to go. So if you're singing in chest voice, your projection will start a bit lower. Hey, as you go higher, hey, and I feel, yes, the middle of my heart palate vibrating right now. Hey, all the way into falsetto.
That was very good considering you had no voice a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
Vox Singing Academy! Thank you for watching. If you've found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you want to learn more about your voice, please post your questions in the comments below. If we pick out one of your questions to do a video segment for, you will win a free lesson with myself or one of my fantastic singing teachers. So until next time, aim high, chase your dreams, believe in yourself, and have fun singing.